Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa Saynode. And today we are having fun with popcorn. We are going to be playing with our food. I absolutely love popcorn, and we're going to start this video with a fun magic trick. I love this fun magic trick, and it's super easy. It's called the Amazing Popcorn Magic Trick. We're going to just put some popcorn kernels in a can. You can use a paper cup. We're going to cover it with my hand, and with the magic of my hand, we're going to pop this popcorn right in the can. When I remove my hand, look, it's magic. There's popped popcorn. Of course, it's not really magic. Let me show you how it's done. We're going to start with some, obviously, already popped popcorn. We're going to put it into our can or cup. You can do this with a plastic cup. But we are going to fill our can about, almost full with our popped popcorn. I just have regular pre-popped popcorn. Then we're going to take those unpopped kernels. We are just going to layer them right on top so that you can't see the popped popcorn, see? And so it looks like we have a can full of just unpopped popcorn. Then we go and we shake it, and basically we're just shaking those kernels underneath our popcorn. So much fun. And next we're going to be making some bacon popcorn. This is super fun and super easy and no magic involved in this one, but super good. We're going to use about 5 strips of bacon. We're going to just heat them up in a pan. We're just going to cook that bacon. And then what we're going to do is remove our bacon from the pan, and we're going to add about a half a cup of unpopped popcorn kernels. We're going to cover that pan, and then we're just going to let our popcorn pop in the pan in the bacon grease, and it's going to be so good. I have this on about medium-high heat, and we're just going to let it cook, shaking it occasionally, of course, to keep those kernels moving. And is there anything more satisfying than watching popcorn pop in a pan? When our popcorn is done popping, we're going to add our bacon back to our popcorn. We're going to add a little bit of salt, and I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, just the regular store-bought stuff that you shake from a bottle. And I'm just going to put that in there. And I'm adding these flavorings when it's still on the pan so that it kind of just sort of not melts into it, but just the popcorn will just absorb these flavors. And then we're going to pour it into a bowl, and it's done. This bacon popcorn is super easy, super delicious, and just a lot of fun to make. And popcorn is just fun anyway. It's very versatile. One thing that I like to do is if I'm having a party or celebrating a holiday, I'll sometimes use colored popcorns. I'll just color them, or in this case, I bought the popcorn already popped and already colored. And I like to just sort of make little designs with the colored popcorn. In this case, it is red, white, and blue for 4th of July. And there you have a few fun things to do with popcorn. Thank you so much for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. You'll find more recipes, articles, and video at PennellCentral.com.